Well, good afternoon. This should be a quick video. I took the potentiometer out of the 432A Parts Mule, and I thought, well, what I might try and do is to clean it up. And then I thought, well, why not show you what is inside it? These are the parts. What you can see here are the screws that hold the end caps to the barrel. This is the spindle that sits in the middle, and you can see the little carriage that sits on it here with a contact. That contact runs out against the side of the barrel here and hits, if we just tilt that a little bit, you might be able to see it, and sits inside this helix, or on this helix, and basically just winds its way up and down. And that's how you change the value of the potentiometer, is by just simply sliding that down and then measuring from the measurement point, which, if we have a look at the actual unit, the measurement point is the bottom, and that's this little piece of wire here. And that piece of wire sits in a little brass wheel here. There's a little brass washer that sits under that to provide a durable surface on the end cap, the bottom cap here, as it spins round. And then I can read, or you can read, the value of the unit as you go up and down that spindle and travel through the various layers of the little helix that's there. Okay, well, let's just do a quick measurement of this device so we can see whether it's still reading the 50K. We'll put that together there. And if we have a look at our meter, get the lights off it a little, you can see that it's reading 49.9K, which is pretty good. So that means that the actual wire wound part of it is working correctly. What we can do is actually, let's just take this off. Let me swap tips. Just using clamps because of a great piece of feedback from Dr. Frank there. Let's just move that down. You can see that as we go down, let me bring this back in. You can see that as we go down into the potentiometer, different bands, it changes the various resistances. So it looks like that's working. So what I'm going to do is just simply give it a bit of a wash with some deoxit. Clean up, see if I can clean up with deoxit and maybe a little cleaning foam pad swab, and just get in there and clean that up, and then reinstall everything, and hopefully that that will make it work. So let's give that a try. Okay, there we go. We've got it all back together. So now we can set it up so that we can give it a try. Let's get in on the sense wire. Let's go in on the top there. And let's just give it a little turn. So we'll put that in there. And as we start going up, we can see that we're getting everything is working, and we seem to be able to get up to, let's go to the other end of the scale. There's a little catching in there. I wonder if that's something that I've done, or if that's just how it was. Might have to exercise it back and forwards a little bit, just to make sure. Anyway, we did clean this, so I have a spare now. I'll put the new one back in the old one that we were repairing, and we'll keep this one as a side. I think there's more wrong with the Parts Mule than just simply this. It's missing some stuff. I noticed some of the cables were cut. One of the boards has the term "fix it" written on it, so I think this will probably just be a spare, not a second 432A repair. Anyway, hope you found this interesting. Catch you later.